Most of us have junk drawers or catch-all drawers where we all store items we rarely use or we don't know where to put it. Usually I go through our junk drawer on a regular basis so I can have an idea of what's inside and I'm not wasting my time cleaning it out or searching for what I need. This is the everything drawer. In my opinion, it's the perfect junk drawer organizer and you can get them from at-home stores for only $7.99. First thing you want to do is declutter your drawer and be realistic about what you use. And I know this is hard for a lot of people, but if you're one of those people who hate to throw things out, you should of course recycle. But if you're not using them, they're just wasting space and you will feel better once you've purged. Once you purged, sort, group, and arrange items into piles. And you will definitely see the items that are not being used and just place them aside and just keep at it. The everything drawer has to be my all-time favorite organizer in our home because it forces you to put things back where they belong. It has 22 compartments and it's perfect for your kitchen, your office. It also has a sliding 2 tray which helps maximize your drawer space, and it even comes with organizing labels. Super convenient. Then I came across another option, same price, but this one I felt was a little better, and it's the Clutter Buster. And what I loved about this organizer is that it's bigger and they are customizable with movable dividers to fit your needs. It also had a sliding top tray to maximize your storage, and it also came with decals for easy organization. Plan a solution that will work with your needs. Measure your width and your height of your drawer. My drawer is a standard drawer, so this organizer fits perfectly. But if yours don't fit, you can use small trays in various sizes and you can get exactly what you need from at-home stores. Here's another tip. Shelf liners is something I like to use and like to keep on hand to not only protect the inside of your drawers, but it also helps to keep any organizational trays you're using from sliding when you're opening and closing the drawer. Arrange your items. I'm placing our most used items on top of the tray here in the front. This way I'm able to see what's inside quickly instead of rummaging around to find what I need. The next step, you're going to maintain your junk drawer and go through your drawer on a regular basis. If you haven't used it in a few months, get rid of it. It's just taking up space. I have a few tips that will save you some space, but you can still use the same items that you use. But I had to downsize some of my most used items in size. Instead of keeping a big screwdriver in your drawer, try keeping this 8-in-1 mini repair tool. It's easy to store, it's easy to find, it's not ideal for large jobs, but it's convenient and it will not take up a ton of space, and I'll link this down below. And the same for my stapler. Instead of using a large one, I'm using a mini one, but it still gets the job done. And the same for our tape dispenser. Instead of putting a full-size one inside, replace it with a smaller one. And if you felt that that 8-in-1 mini repair tool was a little too big for you, you can also try this little guy, and I'll link that down below. Over the years, I've learned that organizing is just a matter of habit. If you remove it, put it back where you got it, and give everything a home and stick to it. Habits do evolve, and the one thing I've implemented into our drawer is our gift cards. I could never find them. This is the perfect spot for it. Everything you see here we use almost on a daily, and now it's a clean, efficient catch-all drawer that I'm not embarrassed to open. So I hope you all took away some tips and ideas. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Be My Guest with Denise, and I want to thank you all for watching.